Constructed home for as low as only 250 shillings. You're probably wondering how that is possible. With the current state of the economy that has rendered almost every aspect of the economy paralyzed. In the quest to realize Vision 2030 through the provision of affordable housing for individuals with a dream of owning homes, Makiga Building and Construction Limited has been on the forefront exploring the niche in the building and construction sector through the invention of a machine that builds blocks faster and at an affordable cost. The machine utilizes very little cement and one can have a complete home in 2 weeks. Take a look at this amazing invention by a Kenyan.
The cost of living has gone beyond a majority's reach. This has gone an extra mile to cripple the ability to afford housing by thousands of Kenyans who are now street and slum dwellers. However, in the midst of the shackle and menace of the harsh reality, exists a solution that might just serve Kenyans for the greater good. Makiga Building and Construction Limited.
President William Ruto's government has been on the forefront in the spearheading of a new generation of homeowners under the affordable housing program, which is on course. Makiga Building and Construction Limited has been living the dream for the last 40 years through their invention of a building machine that fast-tracks the process. The construction of this house started recently, and looking at it, it's almost done thanks to Makiga Building machine that sped up the construction.
This machine is used to introduce affordable housing in the country by making blocks that interlock and cut on costs. The inspiration behind Makiga is to bring a solution to housing, because building in Kenya or building in Africa is very expensive. So what we have are machines that are manual that are used to reduce the cost of construction in Kenya.
Makiga has been in existence for the last 40 years, and we have been selling these machines into the market, and we have sold close to 1 million machines, and we have been able to construct about 20,000 houses. That involves schools. We have built schools even in the DRC Congo, and we have built homes for people even here in Kenya. So what I can say is that the Makiga machine, where the company started, is what has been able to assist many Kenyans to be able to build and also to be able to provide affordable housing as a business as well.
It's a simple yet precious soil interlocking block machine that makes blocks made from soil and cement.
We have been able to build from bungalows to maisonets, and the machine, the Makiga machine, is able to make blocks that can even make high-rise structures. What you just need is to ensure that you have some very good columns for your houses, and it has been approved by KEBS, and many architects who do their drawings, they can actually incorporate the blocks into the plans as well.
One only spends 100,000 shillings to buy the Makiga machine, but can earn up to over 1,500 daily through renting, making blocks for sale, and starting a construction business.
With a minimum of 4 guys, you can be able to make about 500 blocks in a day. And these blocks, they're usually interlocking such that when you're building with the blocks, you do not use mortar between the joints. So the machine is not mechanized, so it is a manual machine which does not use fuel. It does not need much of maintenance. Is just oiling the movable parts.
President William Ruto, in his quest to realize Vision 2030 of affordable housing, confirmed the government's strategic focus on expanding access to quality, spacious, clean and safe and secure dwelling places at an affordable cost in our country, something Makiga as a company is already running with.
Makiga Building and Construction Company is just one among the many companies that is keen on the realization of Vision 2030 through the provision of affordable housing. Cecilia Lubanga, Look Up TV, Makueni County.